discuss another eye defect called long-sightedness. This is also called as hypermetropia. The ray diagram of the defect, sir. Long-sightedness is shown in this figure. This n dash is the normal near point of a person. If an object is placed at the normal near point of a person, the image is found behind the retina of the defected person's eye. So this is the defected person's eye. The object is placed at the normal near point of a healthy human eye, that is 25 centimeters away from that. So a person who is suffering from this defect cannot see object which is kept exactly at 25 centimeters. Why that? Because his near point has become bit far away from his eye. That is this point. Due to various reasons, his near point has become bit far away from his eye. That is why elderly persons at home most of the time cannot read the book at the least distance of distinct division called near point of a healthy human eye. Usually they keep the book at a far off distance away from them. This is because of that. Why is that? Because their near point is bit far away from the eye. It is not exactly 25 centimeter. That may be 50 centimeter, that may be 40 centimeter, that may be 35 centimeter, like that. So this is actually happening that. Suppose if the object is placed at this person's near point, then he shall be able to see the image exactly on the retina. He will be able to see it. So, but if the object is placed at this point, this person cannot see. Why he cannot see? Because the image of the object which is kept at the actual near point, that is 25 centimeter, is forming behind the retina of this defected eye. To correct it, actually what we do is, we use a convex lens of suitable focal length in the spectacles of this person. The object is placed exactly at the normal near point of a healthy human eye. Okay? This object's image is formed at the near point of this person, n dash, so that he will be able to see the image very clearly. So this is the help done by the convex lens. So we have to use a convex lens of suitable focal length to correct this image. How it is done? Once again I will speak. This convex lens makes the image of the object which is kept at the actual near point of a healthy human eye to the near point of this defected person's eye. So the defected person can see the image very clearly. Yeah. So all these things are described here. Long-sighted persons see far off objects clearly but cannot see nearby objects. This is because near point of the eye is bit more than the actual near point of a healthy human eye. To correct it, a convex lens of suitable focal length is used in spectacles. Actually, the convex lens forms the image of the object lying at the actual near point, that is 25 centimeter, to the near point of the defected person's eye. Now he will be able to see the image very clearly. You can take down this diagram also. So clearly from this diagram we can write u is equal to minus d, where we have kept the object exactly at the near point of a healthy human, that is 25 centimeter. 25 centimeter distance is called a normal near point. Normal near point is denoted by the letter D. Here it is minus D because the distance is measured in a direction opposite the direction of the ray of light. And also V. V is the image formed at the near point of the defected eye. That is at a distance x from the eye or from the convex lens. By lens formula we can write 1 by f is equal to 1 by minus x minus of 1 by minus d. That is equal to minus 1 by x plus 1 by d. That is 1 by f is equal to x minus d by xd. So f can be calculated. The focal length of the convex lens that is used for making the spectacle can be calculated as f is equal to x into capital divided by x minus d, where d is equal to 25 centimeters.